Hi, did you see Changan Deepal S05? Ever wonder what this futuristic glowing circle is on the new Changan Deepal S05? No, it's not just fancy badge. It's actually a brilliant piece of smart tech.
Please support the channel with thanks or super thanks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join membership.
It's called the Energy Interaction Ring Light, and it sits on the C-pillar as an external charge indicator. When you plug in the car, it lights up like a real-time battery bar, so you can see your charge level instantly, no app needed. And when you walk up, it transforms into a welcome light that pulses as it unlocks.